Welcome to Rochester. Standing tall for nearly 1,000 years, this fortress remains one of the most iconic and powerful Norman keeps in all of England. Its massive stone walls have guarded this land since the late 11th century. At over 113 feet high, it is a masterpiece of medieval engineering. From this height, the defenders could spot any approaching threat miles before it reached the castle gates. The location was chosen for a critical reason. Rochester Castle was built here to guard the vital crossing of the River Medway, controlling the main road between London and the coast of Kent. The walls are constructed from local Kentish ragstone. These impenetrable battlements were designed to withstand months of pressure, making the castle a silent but deadly guardian of the English landscape. In the year 1215, the castle faced its most brutal test. King John led a fierce siege against rebel barons who had taken refuge within these very walls, turning Rochester into a bloody battlefield. To finally break the resistance, King John ordered his miners to tunnel under the foundations and burn the fat of 40 pigs. The intense heat caused the entire southern tower to collapse into the dust. When the castle was eventually rebuilt, the southern tower was given a unique round shape. You can still see this contrast today, a round tower standing alongside the original square design of the fortress. Walking through these ruins or flying above them, you can still feel the sheer power of the past. Even without its wooden floors and roofs, the hollow interior reveals the grand scale of medieval life. Today, Rochester Castle stands as a testament to endurance. From a drone's perspective, it remains the most dominant feature of the Kentish skyline, a timeless monument of British history. Thanks for watching. For more 4K cinematic journeys, subscribe to DjiRafOfficial. See you in the next one.